All right. As we transition into cool stuff found here, I figured I'd take a minute and talk about this turntable that we're giving away this month. That the Victrola Stream Onyx. It is a Wi-Fi and Bluetooth turntable. As I mentioned in the beginning of the show, it works with Sonos. You don't have to have Sonos to use it, but it certainly just connects to Sonos. You set up the turntable. There's some parts that you just got to kind of connect together. Very easy. The way that you connect the belt drive to the motor after you lay the platter in is kind of brilliant, actually. And they've got like a little hook there that you kind of use and then remove. It's already built in. It's pretty good. And then you power it on. You use their app to connect to it. And once you do that, then you can connect it to your Sonos. You can connect it to Roon. If you're a Roon user, you can connect it to Bluetooth speakers. You can connect it to UPnP speakers. Or it's got outputs on the back. You can connect it to wired speakers, too. And works very well. It's been a blast. It has brought the vinyl experience back into our home. I've had a turntable in my office for a little while. And the thing that I am not one of those people that says that vinyl sounds better than something else. It sounds different, and if you like that better, then it does sound better to you, right? I've always said that experiencing music is one of those places where confirmation bias is welcomed. Because if you love your $50,000 speakers and you think things sound better on your $50,000 speakers, then by all means, man, use your $50,000 speakers. It's wonderful. I don't need to argue with you that I have a set of, $500 speakers that sound better. Like there's no reason for this, right? But what I do love about vinyl is the interaction with the music, where every 20 something minutes you've got to go over and either flip the record or put a new record on, and all that tactile experience of interacting with music is something that I do really like about the vinyl experience. And so and this Victrola thing is a high class turntable, and they've got new colors now. It's not just available in black. They've got there's a white, there's a green. I don't know. I'm sure I'm not using their colors right. And a blue. I wound up getting the white one. Matte blue. Sorry. And what are they calling the green? As I float my matte green and white. That's how I got it right. It's close enough. Yeah. So fun stuff. And we'll put links in the show notes to everything. But enter that giveaway.